Oh my god! Oh my god, it's Andrew Avila!
This is Jaspas Deck.
Oh my god, it's Andrew Avila sign deck. Being with you is like, oh my god. WKC. Oh. It looks like. The thing is that when you do it, it makes it look like digital CGI. Oh my gosh. That's so nice. And this is one of your original decks of cards that you had?
This is probably from like 2007, 2008 when I was just starting out.
Damn. Intruder, speak your name!
What are you doing, buddy?
I'm great. Hi, Chris. Oh, it's Andrew Avila. Oh, it's Chris from Patreon. Patreon gang. Yeah.
Cheers, buddy.
Cheers, Andrew. So responsible. This Andrew is so responsible. I trust my daughter with you.
Good. I'm gonna responsibly drink this beer.
What is the password?
Chris, online brother.
Yes, correct. The door's a bit jammed. Scotty!
Oh, I just passed. Oh, what up, dude? What up, dude?
Dude, so you saw Kenneth at the airport?
Yeah, he's standing in front. Oh, he walked this way, and that's why I messaged you guys. Hey, this is Kenneth. And you said yes. I'm like, Kenneth. Hello, nice to meet you.
Really? That's,
Well, I messaged him.
Who said hello? Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
I see. Jack, is that you? It's Jack!
Hey!
What's
Yo,
up,
what's
man?
up?
Do you know Andrew Avila?
Yeah, the sick car building thing guy, right?
Yeah.
Spider-Man, right?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh shit!
The first question I asked Jack was, do you know Andrew Avila? And he's like, yeah, I do. He's a Spider-Man guy. So, the entire NDO Patreon house is full! We finally got everyone here.
I asked some rosemary.
Oh, it's Rose. You added some rosemary?
Rosemario. It was a steak seasoned with sea salt and black pepper, freshly cracked black pepper. Finished with butter and rosemary.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
The earth exploded and then...
Fun fact, I also filmed a video with Andrew Avila. If you want to see that, click the link in the card now. Damn! Did you see that? This hall looks like, wow, it's not bad, quite impressive. But the scary thing is that if you look over here, then the queue just stretches on all the way to that side. And similarly, all the way to this side. I zoomed in on you, do it again! Yeah! The crowd looks humongous this year.
Yo, look at what is this say?
Broken Borders 2019. So very nice. Guess who it is? Mr. Mueller!
It's me.
Hey, what's up?
Not much, I'm tired.
I saw your post on Instagram. Looks epic.
Thanks, bro. Let's do a thumbnail.
Alright.
Same face out here.
No, what's up? Hey!
Good to see you again.
Good to see you again. How are you?
I'm good. A little bit tired.
Yeah.
But I'm great.
Did you prepare some sick videos for today?
Hopefully they're sick. They're videos, but we'll see if they're sick or not.
Alright. What's up? Hey! Good to see you. What's up, man? This year's con, anything different?
Yeah, we're sporting.
Dude, the welcome back card. I've seen this on video and I was like, wow, that's really nice. Super nice. Thank you. The welcome back stickers. So, do you see a lot of famous cardists already?
Yeah. We actually met them last night.
At the hotel?
Yeah, actually saw you here.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see you guys inside. See you.
Tonight, I'd
Wonderful. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Cole.
Cole?
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Cole. I almost called you Jaspas. Hey, what's up? Hey. Oh, how old is dabbing in the US right now?
It is like pretty old. Not 5 years, just old. It's just old.
It's older than Jaspas.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Dude, even in Singapore it's old, but I'm just intentionally doing it.
It's now. Oh yeah.
Yes. Is that what it is now?
Yeah.
I'll pick it up in 5 years. Dude, what's up? Nice to meet you.
meet you, man. Holy shit.
Luke Sewell! Wait, you're the Luke, huh? The fan Luke. That's crazy.
Do I get the in front of my name?
The
Am I
fan Luke.
Luke?
You're the Luke.
Yeah. This is a poop deck, but
Oh my god, was that off a Kanahan fan?
yeah.
Use your own cards. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Ah! Hey, Michael!
The turtleneck.
Dude.
Come see my.
Yeah, I love to.
Here we have Nike Beaverton hats.
Okay.
There's only 2 of each.
Only 2 of each.
Of each of those colors. Yeah, exactly.
Dude, that's sick.
I mean, I don't want there to be so it's floating around.
He got the good stuff.
That's $200 well spent.
Looks like we've come to the end of the road. There's no point in running away now. I'd rather sleep until the storm is gone. She'd rather be shooting at me now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
Anyone booth? There's no one at anyone booth. Few $100 worth of cards here. Dan! What's up?
I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
Alright, check out this vending machine with all the playing cards inside. Oh my gosh, that's so cool!
Hello everyone! Let's hear it. Let's hear a round of applause for Cardistry Con 2019!
Looks like a blink of an eye's not enough. She'd rather be staying for days now. I'd rather fix it than mess up again. She'd rather be burning it all now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
Cardistry Con 2019!
I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
It's like a muscle pass but with cards. Classic Scott and Sean double fan. Yo!
Old school.
Yo, it's a Jaspas card though. Whoa, so cool. Whoa, and 52 can't pick up. That's really nice. That's true though. That's true. There we go. Alright. Alright. Gotta get that windmill fan. Did I say fan? Windmill cut.
No. I don't know how to close this properly.
I'm not sure if there's a proper way to close it.